Hey everyone, and welcome back to the breakdown. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to download and install data packs in Minecraft 1.16, specifically 1.16.2. I wanted to wait until I thought we were final with Minecraft 1.16, basically the last subversion, which would be 1.16.2, before uploading a video on data packs. So here we are today with the 1.16 version of our data packs tutorial. This is the 1.15 version here. The one you're watching now will replace this one whenever it comes out. However, first and foremost, we do have a mention from our sponsor, which is Apex Minecraft Hosting. Go to the first link down below, thebreakdown.xyz/Apex. Get an incredible 24-hour DDoS Protected Minecraft server for you and your friends. We love Apex so much that we host our own server, play.breakdowncraft.com on them. So if you're looking for a great Minecraft server for you and your friends to love and enjoy, check out Apex at the first link down below, thebreakdown.xyz/Apex. And actually at Apex, you can install data packs in just a few clicks. Plus, they have 24-hour support to help you do it if you have any issues. So anyway, check out Apex at the first link down below, thebreakdown.xyz/Apex. But you're not here to get a Minecraft server, you're here to install data packs, so let's go ahead and do it. The first thing you need to do is actually get some data packs. So you can go to the second link down below, and it's going to take you here to our complete list of data packs for 1.16. Now, obviously, these aren't all the Minecraft 1.16 data packs, but what it is some of the best ones out there, right? These are the top ones, and honestly, there's a huge number on this list because, and as you're about to see, you'll go to one website, and it'll have like 7 or 8 of them there listed of all different sorts of, things you can add. So all the data packs we install today are going to be found on this list. So once you're here, I'm going to install vanilla tweaks. So we're going to click on this green download button, takes us off here. And then we're also going to install, let's see here, some voodoo packs. So vanilla tweaks and voodoo packs are both the ones that have way more than, what is listed. And then we'll also go ahead and grab one, let's see. We can grab Vein Miner. That one's fun. So anyway, we'll grab these 3. Here we are on Vein Miner's download page. This is actually the, Planet Minecraft download here. So when you're here, you're going to go ahead and click on download from GitHub. That's going to ask you if you want to go to a third party. It's perfectly fine on this one. And then once you're here, you want to go ahead and click on the Vein Miner zip right there, and it will go ahead and download in the bottom left. It'll download in the center of your screen on Mozilla Firefox. You might need to save it there, but you don't need to save it on Google Chrome. Nevertheless, let's go ahead and now move over to the voodoo packs. This is what we got to from our website. Now, as you can see, there is a ton of data packs here. I mean, tons of them. And most of them are, as you can see, 1.16 plus. We've actually yet to see one that is not 1.16 plus yet. So awesome stuff. I'm not going to download a ton from here because there is just so many. But let's see. Item Magnet. Now this is going to be cool. Let's go ahead and click on download on Item Magnet there. It is going to go ahead and take us off to an AdFly link where you don't want to click anything on this page. Not a thing. Don't even click deny up here or anything. Don't click anything on this page except the skip ad button that pops up in the top right. See this skip ad button in the top right? Click on that and your download will begin in the bottom left. It's 100% safe. As long as it has Item Magnet, you're good to go. Yeah, but that's with all of the links on this website. It's all going to be, sort of fly links. Vanilla Tweaks, though, doesn't have that sort of a setup, and that's really, really cool. So once you're here, let's go ahead and grab, I don't know, do we have, let's see, track raw statistics. That's kind of cool. We can go ahead and click on that, move that over. There's the durability ping. That's cool. Real-time clock. That's cool as well. That's not what I'm really looking for. Let's add something a little more exotic here. We can add in, like, anti-creeper grief. I can show you some creepers exploding. That's easy. Larger phantoms. That's cool, but could be one that's harder to show as well. Teleportation. Ooh, adding in a slash spawn. So you can enter trigger slash trigger spawn to teleport to the world spawn point. That's cool. And then we can go ahead and grab, let's see. Anything else? These are all Hermitcraft stuff. By the way, this is who, kind of develops all the different Hermitcraft mods. That's who this is. We can also add in Fast Leaf Decay. That's one that we can do. So we have Track Raw Statistics, Fast Leaf Decay, Anti-Creeper Grief, and Spawn from here. Now, if you click download, it's going to download as a zip. This one's going to be a little different because you're going to have to unzip it. So I'm going to show you that now. So if we minimize our browser, in our desktop, we have Vein Miner, we have Item Magnet, and we have Vanilla Tweaks. Now, as you can see, Vanilla Tweaks says unzip me. These two don't need to be unzipped. They are good to go out of the box. But Vanilla Tweaks does. And that's because it's all of those data packs that we just downloaded in one. Now, first, what if these aren't on your desktop at all? Well, they're going to be found in your downloads folder. To find that, click the little Windows icons in the top left of my screen, bottom left of your screen. Click that little Windows icon on the top or bottom left of your screen, and then go ahead and type in downloads. Then you have the downloads file folder here. Then go ahead and take Vein Miner, Item Magnet, Vanilla Tweaks, whatever you have downloaded from your downloads folder, and drag and drop them to your desktop just for ease of use. Now we want to unzip Vanilla Tweaks. To do that, go ahead and right-click on it. Click on Extract All, and then click Extract. It's then going to create a new folder right here on our desktop and open this up with Vanilla Tweaks. So we can delete the original Vanilla Tweaks download file we downloaded. Now, here are all of our data packs. You can see Anti-Creeper Grief, Fast Leaf Decay, Spawn, and Track Raw Statistics. So let's go ahead and drag and drop those to the desktop, and now we are good. We have all of the data packs we want to install right here on our desktop. Now, how do we install them? Well, let's go ahead and open up Minecraft, right? So I would recommend installing data packs after a world is created. Some data packs do require you to install them before a world's created. I'll show you how to do that later, but I'm guessing you've already got a world and you want to add data packs to that already existing world. So we're going to start there, then I'll show you how to add them to a newly created world. So luckily, you don't have to worry about modded clients, you don't have to worry about anything. This is all done in vanilla Minecraft with no mods, nothing like that. I mean, obviously, these are modifications to the game, but no like mod loaders or anything. So once you're here, you want to click on single player. Then you want to select the world you want to add these data packs to. We're going to add them to this test world here. Then you want to go ahead and click edit down here in the bottom. So don't double click on the world, just click on it one time, and then you'll have this edit button appear in the bottom left. Click on that, and then you'll have the open world folder button here. So click on open world folder. That will then open up, well, your world folder. Then in here, you'll see data packs. So as you can see, again, that was edit, right? Click on the world you want to, add the data packs to. Click on edit in the bottom left, and then click on open world folder. Once you've got your world folder opened up like this, you want to click on data packs. Then you want to take all the data packs you want to install, vein miner, item magnet, anti-creeper grief, fast leaf decay, spawn, and track raw statistics. All of that, you want to drag and drop it into the data packs folder here. Now we can go ahead and close out of that data packs folder, click save here on the world, and then double click on the test world. Now some of these will install right away. Some of them will need to be reloaded. And if you don't have cheats enabled, I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you have cheats enabled on your world, you should just be able to do /reload, right? Like so, and it's going to reload and add all the data packs. But if you don't have cheats enabled, you run that /reload command and it won't work. To do the reload command, you need to hit escape, right? Click on open to LAN, turn on cheats here, and then click start LAN world. Then you can do /reload and it will work. You don't have to do that every time. You just have to do it the first time you install a data pack, and then you'll be good. Now, at this point, we can go ahead and show you that these are in fact working. Let's go ahead and time set day, just because that's easier. So, look at that, there's a cat. Huh, but nevertheless, we're not looking at cats here. We are looking at data packs. So, /spawn was one that was added, and that's /trigger, right? /trigger space spawn, boom, and there we go. We teleported to the world's spawn point. So we can do this again. Let's go ahead and run over here to the side. Right, we're just gonna run over here and /trigger space spawn, and there we go. Boom, that one is working. We also have track raw statistics. I honestly don't know how that works. That's one I need to look a bit more into, and I'm sorry about that, but I'm sure it is installed here. If you want to give me just one quick second, I'll do a jump cut. So in order to see that, you want to do /scoreboard, /scoreboard, and then objectives set display, and then you have scoreboards here that you can add. All that different stuff is here. So yeah, basically that's that. You can see all that there. That is something that's recommended adding from the beginning of a world though. So like I said, we're going to show you how to do that here in a second, and we'll be able to show that off hopefully a little more. Now we also have fast leaf decay added in, and unfortunately there's no trees in this world. Okay, we can go over here and watch some fast leaf decay happen. And what else do we have? So we also have item magnet. I will showcase that here in a second. That's a really cool data pack. So here we are, boom. Go ahead and delete this tree, and it should decay the leaves pretty quickly after we delete all of the wood there. Let's see, is it going to work? Let's see. Now, I don't know how fast this one moves, but that looks like it's moving faster to me. Yeah, 100%. There's no way it would be dropping all those that quickly. Yeah, that's going to be gone very, very fast. It's not the fastest in the world. It's not as fast as like the Fast Leaf Decay mod, but it is definitely sped up, which kind of makes sense for Exuma's Voids and his mod packs. Now, Anti-Creeper Grief. Let's go ahead and we can switch to survival. Kind of moving forward, I do need a few things to do that. We need a diamond pick so we can show off vein miner. And then we're also going to need ourselves some creeper eggs to show you that creepers don't explode and blow things up. And then we should be good. As you can see, there we go. Now if we do game mode survival, boom, there we go. And let's go ahead and let this creeper blow up on me. It might kill me. Yeah, boom. As you can see, nothing there. Did not kill the, did not blow up any grass or anything like that. It's kind of, it's cool, but it does suck, because, I mean, like, that's kind of part of the fun of creepers there. Now, with Vein Miner, we can go ahead and show you what we have going on here and how this is going to work. Now, Vein Miner works differently depending on the version of Vein Miner that you're using. Some Vein Miners work by hitting a specific button, and then it mines everything. Some work by crouching. I believe this one works by crouching. Getting a little lag there. This one works by crouching. So if we go ahead and crouch, let's see, is it going to work? I don't know. Give me one quick second. I'll figure out how this one specifically works. That's the thing. There's tons of different mods for vein miners, and all of them work differently. So one quick jump cut. So I've been having some trouble getting this working, however it is installed. So I'm going to try to find some ores real quick and make sure, see if that'll work for that. But it is installed, and how you can check that is if you hit, escape here, go into advancements, you do have this new install and datapacks tab, and as you can see, we do have the vein miner there. But we also have vanilla tweaks, and it shows that raw statistics, fast leaf decay, spawn, and anti-creeper grief are installed there as well. But it's weird that I can't get vein miner to work. Typically it would be done using crouch, right? And that's how that would work, and it would be good to go. But yeah, anyway, let's go / actually trigger spawn. It's kind of helpful. And once we're back at spawn here, we can go ahead and fly around real quick. I'm going to see if I can find like a natural ore of coal or something like that. Just a quick little jump cut. Sorry about this. It's kind of weird. I tested this right before this video on a different world, and it worked without any flaws. So anyway, let's go ahead and see if we can mine this real quick here. If it doesn't work, oh, well, that was a fail. If it doesn't work, I'm guessing it's because there's some sort of configuration or something that we need to do. But nevertheless, let's go ahead and check this. Hopefully it works right here on this coal, assuming there is other blocks of coal around it. Let's see, is there? Or is this just one singular block? Okay, there is. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and see if this will work here. We're going to go into creative, right like so, or no, survival, right like so. And then we should be able to crouch and mine that, and boom. No, it seems like it's not working. Very odd. Oh, no, I think it did work there. I think we got multiple things of coal there. I'm going to go ahead and try this one more last time. I'm going to find us a good vein of ore, and we're going to try this. So I tested it, and it is working. We can go ahead and shift click here, and bam, there we go. It mines all of those. I don't know why it was acting a little weird above ground, but yeah, anyway, we can let this creeper explode, and no creeper damage, anti-creeper grief. But nevertheless, we can go ahead and kind of go down here. I'm going to show you that it is working on coal as well, because that's kind of what we had those issues with. That's a little weird, but nevertheless, it is now working. We are good to go. As you can see, it mined all those coal blocks all the way back in there without an issue. There's even some diamonds that we could give a shot, but nevertheless, that is working. I'm glad it's working. That was a little weird. But as you can see, some of those data packs can be a bit finicky. They can be a bit weird. But nevertheless, I think that's everything. Have we tested everything now? We've tested fast leaf decay. We've been tested... item magnet is the only one that we have not tested. And honestly, I don't know if that data pack is working correctly at this moment. I know that's a little weird, but I've tested all this stuff. Item magnet was working in my test world, but it could be potentially that it's not working because it is, not compatible with another data pack or something like that. A little weird, but it is what it is. Let's go ahead and try to create a new world with these data packs. Maybe it'll work there. Again, sorry about that, but it just happens. So nonetheless, let's go ahead and do this. So to create a new world, you want to go ahead and escape, go back to the Minecraft main menu. And then once you've gotten on the main menu here, you want to click on single player, create a new world, obviously. And it's going to be our data packs test, so data packs test. And you can make this in survival or creative. I'm going to make it in survival, but allow cheats just because it makes things easier. Then you want to go ahead and click on data packs right here. And then it's going to have this kind of selection here. Click on open pack files folder here, or open pack folder. It's going to open up this folder. Then you want to take any data packs you want to install and drag and drop them into this folder. Then you want to click done over, or then you want to come over here and add these on over. And as you can see, it's actually saying that vein miner and this are incompatible, which is weird. We know vein miner isn't. As you can see, this is made for an older version. We know vein miner's fine, but we were having issues with item magnet. We're going to try it here. These should be updated, but we're going to see. Go ahead and click done there. It's going to validate those data packs, and then we can create the world. It's going to open it on up right like so. Now the data packs will be installed from the beginning, so you shouldn't have to do /reload. But just in case you wanted to add more anyway in the future, you do have the ability to use commands and cheats if you want to. But nevertheless, once we load in here, be able to hit escape and click on the advancements tab to be able to see that we do have the boomer mod, which is actually the data packs that we added for magnet, and then we do have the vein miner here. We've also got all the vanilla tweaks packs here as well, so spawn, all of that. So we do kind of go forward, we can do /trigger space spawn, that'll go there. And then let's see if we can get that scoreboard to work, objectives, and then you can set display, and it doesn't look like they are all here per se, but I think there are additional scoreboards there, and it is tracking. I'm sure I'm just messing something up. Oh yeah, there we go. It was list, and then you can see all these different sort of things here. I mean, it's a lot. Like it's a lot. But nevertheless, once you've done that, you are good to go. Now we can go ahead and test fast leaf decay over here really fast. Go ahead and test that one, and then we will test vein miner and item magnet. So maybe item magnet will work right here. Let's see. That doesn't seem like it's working. Seems like that item magnet mod or data pack is broken, and I do apologize for that. I don't like to normally, test that, but everything else here is working. The data pack is recognized. It just seems like it's broken currently, so I apologize. That's going to happen from time to time when you're working with like a bunch of third-party developers and things of that nature. So anyway, as you can see, that is already decaying relatively fast. Go ahead and grab that, and we'll see what we have. Yeah, there we go. Boom. Fast leaf decay. That one was much faster than the old world there. And then we also have a vein miner to show off, so I'm going to go ahead, kind of get set up for that. I want to find a good vein of ore and all that stuff. For those of you that are curious about the seed of this world, there you go. But nevertheless, let me go ahead, get all that set up, and I'll do a quick jump cut. Alright, so here we are. We can test a vein miner really fast. Boom, and I got those two. Vein miner seems a bit glitchy here, to be honest, but boom, there we go. Got all of those in one click. Oh, we've got ourselves a spider here. Let's go ahead and kill him really fast, get him in the lava, boom, there we go. Now let's go ahead and test the anti-creeper grief. So we place that creeper down, it's going to explode, and boom, nothing happens because anti-creeper grief. So yeah, there you go. I think that's everything that has been installed there is now being tested. This vein miner is a bit glitchy. The plugin and definitely the mod, official mod, are a bit more stable, but overall, it is going to get the job done most of the time, it looks like. And makes things just a bit easier. If you want one that's not like perfect, it makes it still a little difficult to mine all the ore and you have to check and everything, that is going to be the perfect vein miner for you. But yeah, there you have it. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section down below. Sorry some of these packs were a little bit buggy for us. Sometimes that happens. It very rarely happens, but we try to push through it. To install data packs, all you need to do is drag and drop them into your data pack explorer. It's that easy, and you saw how to get to that. And honestly, most people probably didn't watch me do all this testing. But if you did and you're here at the end, let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Come play with us on play.breakdowncraft.com, the best Minecraft server in the multiverse. We have Grief Protected Survival, custom skyblock, custom factions. You will absolutely love it. Over 200 players online every single day. So come play with us. Play.breakdowncraft.com is the IP. I can't wait to see you online. My name is Nick, and I am out. Peace.